Great day today. This is Joe Farley, your Friends and Fathers life coach here. On my way actually to go out and do some more teaching here because they call me a SME. What does that SME means, dear?
Subject matter expert.
Subject matter expert. We're Friends and Fathers. I'm the founder and president of the organization. We've been around since 2007. Started out in my men's ministry at my home church. And we basically started educating fathers way back when. And now here it is, 2016, going into our 9th year. And we have helped many fathers address many issues. Today I'm just going to talk about a helpful hint and tip in reference to driver's license. You know, unfortunately, there are different enforcements that the friend of the court can put upon you, and one being that they can actually suspend or revoke or interrupt you having your driver's license. Some of you fathers out there know of this. So one helpful hint and tip. First of all, you want to contact the friend of the court, your local friend of the court, whether you're talking about your child support. Some people have agents or they have a customer care person that they can speak with. But never the matter, you can actually just contact the friend of the court, ask that question. You know, I'm calling in reference to get an update on my case and want to find out, are you guys holding my license or suspending my license? And what are the steps for me to get my license back? In some counties, you have to at least pay the arrears off, or at least be able to put some type of payment plan together to address these arrears, because that's one of the reasons why your license are suspended. Some of our fathers come in because in front of the court they notice that the father has not been paying, or we'll say payers, because you have some mothers out there paying child support too, but because you have not been paying anything towards those arrears, or probably not paying anything towards the child support. Now, you may have been paying something for your child or taking care of your child financially by giving money directly to your child, by buying gym shoes or clothing items or taking care of your child. But unfortunately, those are not the proper way of taking care of your children if you're not paying your child support. Because now the child support system, they're an entity that can force you to pay your child support by using methods of restricting you of your driver's license. And you say, well, why would they do that when I need my car to get my to go out here and make some money? Well, again, I know that can be true, but bottom line is just putting your priorities in place. Whether you believe that they should not do it or not, they have authority to do it. So that's the first thing you have to remember. Forget about all what you feel. Address this issue. Find out what we need to do to pay that child support. Now, in many cases, I've helped fathers. Most recently, I had a father who owed $55,595 in arrears. Senior citizen, on Social Security, didn't have much money, but after going through Friends of Fathers process and we coaching him through the steps to take, he was able to get $55,000 forgiven. $55,000. And now that balance that he has owed, which is owed to the mother, $595. Now with that Social Security check, he can pay $10, $20 per month towards those arrears and maintain his life and not have to be robbed of his Social Security check. Okay? So, again, by the way, in certain Social Security income or SSI income, they can't take. So, but you have to find that out on your own or contact someone like myself, and we can do some research with you and coach you through those steps. Hey, so tip of the day, pay something towards those arrears. Call down to your child support system or company and find out if they're holding your driver's license. Okay, because once they restrict them, you got to get them reinstated as well. So we don't need you to have another issue with the state of driver's license department, where now you're out here driving